Hey folks, when I set out to build my next model, I wasn't planning on another Star Wars ship. I thought I'd already made the only one I liked, the Star Destroyer. I love fast, cool looking spacecraft, but nothing else from the Star Wars universe really stood out to me, until I started watching the third season of The Mandalorian. That's when I saw it. My next model, the Komrk Gauntlet Fighter. Its sleek, agile design grabbed my attention, and I knew I had to bring it to life. The Komrk-class fighter transport, also known as the Gauntlet Fighter, is a sleek, versatile spacecraft originally designed by the Mandalorian splinter group Death Watch during the Clone Wars. Its distinctive wing configuration, capable of rotating for atmospheric flight and combat maneuvers, makes it one of the most agile ships in the Star Wars universe. The Komrk first appeared in the Star Wars The Clone Wars series, where it served as a transport and attack craft for Mandalorian warriors. It's fast, maneuverable and equipped with powerful weaponry, making it ideal for hit-and-run tactics and dogfights. The ship gained renewed attention in the third season of The Mandalorian, where it was prominently featured, showcasing its advanced design and role in Mandalorian culture. Its combination of speed, firepower and an iconic silhouette has made it a fan favorite, embodying the Mandalorian ethos of strength and precision.